Hey everyone. So, healing ourselves can be really difficult because, first off, where do you even begin to heal yourself? We have created these patterns, these habitual thoughts, and emotions within us that when we do take a step towards healing, what brings us back is that pattern, those patterns, those belief systems that kind of reel us back into the same way of being, to the same way of doing things or thinking things. That inner dialogue is still there. So, when we are healing ourselves, when we are going down the path of healing, and this is kind of a never ending thing that we do because we're always healing something or expanding and growing and creating a sacred space within. It's always a process. But how do we begin that healing process? Well, first off, we have to take a look within. We really have to face what's going on within ourselves and understand those emotions, observe them, um, really understand what is happening on the inside. Now, this isn't taking a look at them and replaying the events over, the situation over, replaying those emotions over as if you were living them in the moment. It's actually taking a look at them and seeing what it is that these emotions are telling you. What are they? What's happening? What is the message here that we need to look at? And then when we get that bigger picture, as we're looking at it from the observer perspective, then we can begin to heal those emotions, begin to transmute those emotions into something better. Now, this seems like a really cut and dry process of, oh, figure out the emotions and heal them. It takes a long time to look at those emotions, understand them, and then begin to one by one transmute them, transform those emotions into a higher feeling emotion by doing the healing, looking at the situation, looking at the emotions, those thoughts, and knowing that you can have better, you can feel better. You are worthy of healing. You are worthy of feeling your own love. You're worthy of experiencing a better life. And it's going through those emotions and those thoughts and creating and expanding and growing into something better. So I would say write those things down that you were observing, those emotions and thoughts, and understand them from the perspective of maybe where they came from or what it is you are actually feeling. Because sometimes we don't even know what we are feeling. We've just become so used to that emotion that we don't even know it's there anymore. So when you are creating that sacred space of understanding them, and there's nothing wrong with looking at those emotions because that's where the healing begins. If we are ignoring those emotions, if we're ignoring those things, then the healing doesn't happen. Then it just perpetuates and things become worse. The more we shove things down, the more that it becomes amplified because you're not releasing that energy. You're not addressing that energy. And then as you address it and understand it and love yourself during the whole entire process, and then begin to choose something different and level up and constantly create that sacred space of a new way of being, then those old emotions will begin to dissipate over time, and that new emotion will replace those old emotions. And then you keep working on that. You keep on creating a safer, more sacred space for yourself. And that loving space, that loving element will become even stronger. So if you need further help on this, I do have a self-love journal that's available in my link in bio, or I'll put the link below. or you can check out any one of my courses that help you on this journey into self-love, with going in and listening to your heart center, and on meditation. So I hope this helped you, and I'll see you next time.